If you're passionate about macro photography, particularly capturing intricate details of insects and tiny creatures, the Ordro M5 5K vlog camera is a must-have companion. Designed for vloggers and field photographers, this camera combines impressive features with portability, making it a versatile tool for documenting outdoor adventures. Launched after a successful Kickstarter campaign, the Ordro M5 boasts a 3.5-inch rotating flip touchscreen, a feature rarely seen in similar cameras. This large display is perfect for real-time content review and makes vlogging effortless, especially in challenging environments like forests where lighting can shift drastically. Its compact size, 56 by 45 by 157 mm, and lightweight design, 220 grams, ensure it won't weigh you down on long field trips. One standout feature is the 120 degrees ultra-wide-angle lens paired with a Sony 8.0mm CMOS sensor, enabling stunning 5K video recording at 30 frames per second and various other resolutions, including 4K at 60 frames per second. This level of detail is perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects like insects and spiders, or for post-production edits that require significant cropping without losing quality. The camera is built for spontaneous filming. A quick press of the power button allows instant recording, a crucial feature when photographing elusive subjects that don't wait around. Moreover, the 3-axis gimbal stabilization ensures smooth footage, even when you're moving through uneven terrain. Low-light enthusiasts will appreciate the night vision IR mode, which captures clear footage in dark conditions, making it possible to document nocturnal species. Additionally, the AI tracking feature keeps subjects in focus as they move. Although it occasionally struggles with fast-moving objects, the Ordro M5 also supports slow-motion and time-lapse modes, expanding creative possibilities for macro videographers. Switching between these modes is straightforward, thanks to the intuitive touchscreen interface. While the Ordro M5 offers many advanced features, there are a few areas where it could improve. The physical buttons are not as intuitive as a joystick would be for manual control, and the user manual's translation could be clearer. Additionally, a protective hood for the gimbal would enhance durability during rugged outdoor use. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Ordro M5 5K is a reliable, feature-rich camera that meets the demands of macro photographers looking for a compact, high-quality vlogging solution.